Functions and equations. You can use an equation to represent a function. An equation expresses the dependent variable or output in terms of the independent variable. Which is your input or x value. Example. Write an equation to represent the function shown in the table below. And so the table that's provided is the following. So I have my input, x, my output, y, and so if I put in 1, I'm going to get 16. If I put in 2, I'll get 32. If I put in 3, I'll get 48, 4, 64, and 5, 80. And so the key here is to determine if you can come up with a rule or an equation that represents the function that's represented in the table. Well, if I think about this, if I go for the input 1 gives me 16, if I go to 2, it has just doubled from 16 to 32. So it looks like I've added 16 each time. And so therefore, my output is equal to 16 times what my input is. And I can check my work with that. Y is equal to 16 times 1 is 16. Is y 32? If I put in 2, 16 times 2 is 32. If I put in 3, do I get 48? Yes. If I put in 4, do I get 64? And if I put in 5, do I get 80? And so to summarize, remember that your ordered pair x, y represents your input and your output.